everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today let's see the view of Ayodhya during the temple consecration time. At that time I was there in Ayodhya from 19 January to 26 January, and I took it and I visit the Lord Ram temple on the first day of the opening after the consecration of the temple inaugurated. So I took and visit the Lord Rama temple on 23 January only. So let's see many more persons who came across all over our country, along with such as some persons who are all from Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, all over Assam, in all over northeast, and also some people who are also all from our Rajasthan, Bihar, MP, means everywhere. So many more persons, and we can see how it is the crowd at that time, and really I am also missing the door. So now I am going to, and also I am feeling so good here because really I am also feeling so great because of our Ram is coming in the Ayodhya. And let's see how it is the crowds, again all the persons and devotee of Lord Rama who is so excited here, and they are chanting the name of Lord Sri Ram as a Jai Sri Ram always, including the some great legendary ours who belong from our dynasty. So let's see how it is the place, and I am also feeling so good. So listen carefully and enjoy. And I am just in front of the Hanuman Garhi temple, which is one of the most popular and oldest temple of India, Hanuman Garhi temple. So I am just in front of Hanuman Garhi temple, and this is also the way to go Ram Janmabhoomi temple. So we should have to listen everything what they are saying, and really they are also enjoying a lot. Really it's believed that our Ram is coming, and already who came, and even we know also that that time the song also became popular as is Ram Aayenge. So and even media journalists and lots of media journalists, news anchors from Aaj Tak, NDTV India, ABP, India Today, many more news reporter and journalists I have also seen here, and many more celebrities are also coming here every day. So we can see how it is the crowd, and I am also feeling very lucky person that today I got a chance to come and see the festival of Ayodhya Janmabhoomi temple consecration festival and inauguration of Ayodhya Ram temple. So even already we know about that three domes which was demolished in 1991 on 6 December, which is known to be as the birthplace of Sri Ram, who was born 5000 to 6000 years ago in BC. And so the temple of Lord Sri Ram originally built by the King Vikramaditya, who was a king and ruler of Ujjain, who built this temple. And also we know that in our country our most popular calendar Vikram Samvat introduced by the King Vikramaditya itself only, who was a ruler of Ujjain, and who introduced the Vikram Samvat on the victory over of Saka, because even you also know very well that Saka introduced the Sak Samvat, that is also a original I think national calendar of India, Sak Samvat. Because of the Sak Samvat, we know very well that Ujjain's ruler King Vikramaditya has built Ram temple in India before 2000 years old, and in 1958 the temple was demolished by the Baba's general Mir Baqi, who other built at mosque over the ruins of Ram temple. So the King Vikramaditya was legendary king, and his capital was Ujjain, and Vikramaditya began the Vikram era in 57 BC. and after his victory over the Sakas in 56 BC. Before Bikram Sambat, Saka introduced the Saka era, and King Kanishka, who was from Saka dynasty in 78 AD, founded Sak Sambat, which is a national calendar of India. It is in so it is similar to the Gregorian calendar. So let's see, this time also is a one TV journalist, we can see, who is also reporting here at this place. So really I am feeling very good, and many more devotees are coming always day by day, and population, like there is a high population become here in Ayodhya. So it is the all over the city of Ayodhya. We can see how it is decorated very well to the consecration ceremony of Lord Sri Ram. So even the current modern temple was designed by the architecture Chandrakant Sompura along with his son. Architecture also so both participate who was architecture, and they all are very oldest dynasty of architecture in India, who architect and design so many temples like Somnath temples, Birla temple in Kolkata, Somnath temple in Gujarat, and many more, Vijaya temple, and many more temple designed by Sompura's family. So Sompura's family is the, and nowadays Chandrakant family is, Chandrakant Sompura is the current architecture of the Ayodhya Ram temple. And let's see how it is this boy how it is performing dance here. He become like a Rammay. So this is the way, and right now I am just standing here because of many more celebrities and politicians are all coming and going from this way only. And I am just standing in front of the Lata Mangeshkar Chowk, which is built in the memory of Lata Mangeshkar, who was a legendary singer of Bollywood and India in all over time for many more decades. At least 5 to 6 decades she ruled Bollywood. So we can see all the celebrities and politicians are coming from this way only. And also Lata Mangeshkar Chowk is built in front of the lots of Saurya stump is also built here. So we can see there is some Saurya stump is also there, and it is just in front of the, after that there is also a Saryu river which is flowing from here, which is known to be as a Lord Rama disappeared into the Saryu river along with Lakshman and Bharat and Shatrughan. So which is also a so popular place. And I am also feeling so excited here because this is the first time, and this is known to be as the golden period of my time, along with the golden period of my life and most happiest time in my life. So many more we can see. I can't forget this memory. I will never forget my memory regarding Ayodhya on 23 and 22nd January, consecration of Ayodhya Ram temple. I got a best memory of my life in Ayodhya. And after that I am also planning to go Chapaya Dham village, which is also located nearby Ayodhya, only 20 km away, 40 km away. It will take only few distance because it is which is the known to be as the birthplace of the Ghanshyam Pandey, travel name as Nilkanth Varni, who known to be as a Narayan Swami. That is so popular temple in all, mostly in Gujarat. You will find Sri Swami Narayan temple and Sri Swami Narayan temple in Delhi, Akshardham temple Delhi, also dedicated to Narayan Swami. So which is a so popular temple. So I will also to go to take the place of Ghanshyam Pandey Narayan Swami as a Nilkanth Varni also, which is also in Ayodhya. In I think current time it is in Gonda or Basti. It is in Gonda district, which is also located nearby Ayodhya only. So in Ayodhya there is also lots of popular palaces there and temple is there, as such as the Dasarath Mahal, Sita Rasoi, and Kanak Bhavan, Hanumangarhi, Ayodhya Ram Mandir. And in Ayodhya at that time there was a security was so high. We can see everywhere the team of army and many more police service and forces are available here. So even you know that also our Ram Lalla are designed by the Arvind Yogi Raj, who was a fifth generation of architecture from a sculpture of Mysore, who designed the Ayodhya Ram Lalla at the age of 51, and the size of this Ram Lalla idol is a 51-inch tall, which is built by the Krishnila stone. That is also a very ancient stone, about 2000 years back, made by the Krishnila stone. So let's see, and I am feeling so good here. And even we also know that very well we are celebrating as Sri Ram Navami, a significant festival commemorates the birth anniversary of Lord Sri Ram, the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu, and the auspicious occasion falls on the 9th day of the Chaitra month in Bikram Samvat calendar. Devotees engage in prayers, visit temples, and recite sacred text of Sikh blessing from Lord Sri Ram, the chief architect. So it is a very good place. So I am feeling so good here. Really, it is a very amazing place. So I can't explain a single word because it is an unforgettable moment for me. I can't forget this moment any time in my life. So bolo Sri Jai Sri Ram and Sri Ram Sarnam Mama. And because always you have to think about Sri Ram Sarnam Mama, and rarely I have to also visit Krishna Janmashtami temple, which is in Mathura. So after Ayodhya I will go to visit Mathura Sri Krishna Janmabhoomi temple in Mathura, and then Barsana Sri Radha temple in Barsana, Bhagya Bihari temple, Krishna Balaram temple, ISKCON temple, many more temple. So these are my plan, because after Sri Ram I will go to visit and take the place of Lord Sri Krishna, which is known to be as Sri Krishna Sarnam Mama. After Sri Ram Sarnam Mama, Sri Krishna Sarnam Mama. So I am feeling so good here. So even always some politicians and celebrities are coming one by one to this way, and the time is only 10 AM, and even I am also feeling cold here, because in this winter season there is a lots of cold, and every facility is available here. Like if you want, some heater is also there to take the heat from in winter season. Some woods are also burning there, some persons, and even medical treatment also available. Anyone who will suffer from the medical tissue, all doctors are also available along with nurses. And let's see, this is the car of Kangna Ranot. Kangna Ranot reached nearby the temple of Hanumangarhi. So many more persons, how they come to see the Kangna Ranot at this place. So this is the car of Kangna Ranot, and she came here. So let's see. So Jai Sri Ram and Jai Sita Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Sri Ram ji ki jai. So look at her face. Her pretty face is looking from window. And she is also together with her sister Rangoli Ranawat. So bolo Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Sri Ram Sarnam Mama, Sri Krishna Sarnam Mama. So Jai Sri Ram.